Hare Krishna friends, today our day 3 of revision series. Let's start. Today I will discuss about latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so what is latitude? A simple definition is the angle from the center of the earth towards north and south direction is known as latitude, and the angle with in east and west direction, that is longitudes. Okay, let's know the number of longitudes and latitudes. Total number of the longitudes are 360. Okay, 360. ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक 179 179 एंड देन 1 ये, ठीक है. 1 ये 0 डिग्री एंड 180 डिग्री, मतलब 179 प्लस 179 प्लस 1 प्लस 1. ओके, एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ लैटिट्यूड्स कितने हैं? लैटिट्यूड्स आर start from 0 degree to 90, and then here in 90 in the south direction. Total 90 plus 90 and plus 0 degree वाला 1 count. Then total number of latitudes कितने हो गए? That is 181. Okay, the latitudes are parallel lines and longitudes are called meridians. They are not parallel. Okay, they are joined at the poles. Okay, they are joined at the poles. Okay, and bulge at the equator, but latitudes are the parallel line, and the latitude makes the great circle at the equator. Okay, and the smaller towards the pole. Done? And it becomes a point at the pole, so we did not count 90-degree latitude as a latitudinal line. Okay, it's a point, and the distance between two latitudes are 111 kilometer. Okay, 111 kilometer. Then what is longitudes में देखें. What 0 degree longitude is known as the 0 degree meridian, that is passes through the Greenwich of London. Okay, and from here the all timings are generated for all the countries. Okay, and the 180-degree longitude is called the international date line. Okay, and and that is not a line type, it's a zigzag line, because it passes through Pacific Ocean and not through the ground, because if it passes through a ground, then some country have in a single country, in a same country, two types of dates are inserted. Here different date, and here different date. Okay, so for to avoid this problem, the 180-degree line passes through in a zigzag pattern from Pacific Ocean. Okay, they are semicircular and not circular because of